a lot of ambiguity, a lot of play on words, a lot of surrealism, a lot.
Hey everybody, it's Dr. Phil.
If you don't know me, your TV ain't been on. It's too
Boy, killing it for you, boy.
You did make the transition from Hollywood Squares to Match Game, and let me ask you that: was it easier having
that role? Did you watch Mrs. Doubtfire? And did that help you?
No,
prepare
Tootsie
for the
came
role?
up. All right, this isn't.
Forget it. Just forget it. Just forget it.
Good day to you, sir. I don't even know your name.
Forget it, man.
Have a wonderful...
Yeah, and you spit up all over the place.
Boy, killing it for you, boy. Killing it.
coolest thing in the world, you know what I mean? So cool. Do you have any...
I want to blow this up on Instagram. I want to...
And not be angry after a while. Doing 2 tapings of fun.
Yo, I'm on the freaking Jimmy Fallon show. Yo, I'm going to...
What's so funny?
Tell me about that. Was it easier having
on linguistics? So linguistics is one of my primary infatuations because it really helps you unravel a lot of different stuff.
You know what I like? You know what I like? Linguistics and eggs.
Linguistic, what is that? What the hell does that mean? Boy, killing it for you, boy. Killing it.